Welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. As my old tripod was damaged, so all the stand was fine, but the main thing, the cell phone holder, it got a breakage here. So I have ordered a new one. So I'm trying to unbox this new tripod, and the cost of this was like 330 rupees. Around 330 rupees, I got it. I'll open it and I'll let you know how it is. But the weight is too lightweight material, I guess. So this one, and maybe this is the bill. This is the bill. Okay, fine. I'll keep this aside. And this is what the tripod. So what it is mentioned here: Tygot Bluetooth extendable selfie stick, which acts as a tripod too. Basically, it's a selfie stick, but it is portable. One thing I like is you can take it to anywhere. Maybe I need to keep in my pocket and test whether I can carry it through placing in my pocket. So I'll open this. Yeah, details they mentioned here. See here, foldable height 18.5 centimeters, minimum height 25.4 centimeters, maximum height 68 centimeters. You can assume a scale which is around 30 centimeters, double the height, I guess. Minimum load up to 1 kg. Okay, so this is lightweight, only 113 grams. So basically it will hold a phone. It is to hold the phone, and you can rotate the phone holding stick. I'll place a mobile now and I'll show you. So this is what basically the selfie stick, which is also a tripod. So yeah, I'll try to extend it. Yeah, for selfie stick it is fine, but to make it as a tripod to record videos, see here, as this there is no weight balance here at the bottom. When I place my phone, see here, when I place my phone, it is unable to hold. If I take my, see, so for a selfie stick this is fine, but if you want to use it as a tripod, I don't think it's a good choice. See, as a selfie cam, this is fine. So, as they said, this is Bluetooth enabled. For to enable the Bluetooth here, you need to long press on this so that you will get this blue light. Once the blue light is enabled, you need to open your phone. You need to open your phone. Then, on the Bluetooth, just try to pair this selfie cam. This is connected. Once it is connected, yes, you can take selfies or the pictures. Bluetooth has been connected, and if I want to take a picture, I can just press, see here, see, and with this button press, it is clicking the photo.